Hello everyone. In this section, we are going to talk about demand functions, law of demand, demand schedule, and demand curve. What is demand? Demand for a commodity refers to desire backed by purchasing power. People refer to want or the desire for a thing as a demand. So, economic necessitates three things as desire for a commodity, willingness to buy, and the purchasing power to pay. So, it will be betterly understand with an example. Just to think that Mr. X want to buy a car and it is demanded as he will be able to pay for the car. So, first I have said that Mr. X wants to buy a car. That is his desire. Then he, in order to buy the car, he just go for job and starts earning. That is the willingness to buy. Then when he is able to pay for the car, then it will become the purchasing power to pay. So these are the economic necessities. Thus, the demand for any commodity mainly it depends upon the price of that commodity. Next, we can see what are the demand functions. The demand function here, demand for any commodity depends on the price of that commodity. For that, I have given one formula. Here, D it represents demand for the commodity, and P1 it is the price of commodity A, P2 is price of related commodity, then Y is the income, then T it refers to the taste and preference of consumers. So from this formula we can understand that demand for any commodity depend on the price of that commodity, and the other determinants like it includes price of related commodities, income of consumers, tastes and preference of consumers, and wealth of consumers. All are the other determinants. So hence we can see that the demand function is D equal to F into P1, P2, Y and T. Next we can see law of demand. So according to Marshall, the law of demand is explained as the amount demanded increases with a fall in price and diminishes with a rise in price. So the law of demand it states there is a negative or inverse relationship between the price and the quantity demanded of a commodity over a period of time. So we can see that when the price rises, the quantity demanded for the commodity will decreases, and when the price of the commodity falls, the quantity demanded for the commodity will be increased. Thus, the law of demand states that people will buy more at low price and they will buy less at higher prices. Demand schedule is a tabular statement showing how much of a commodity is demanded at different prices. So it refers to the response of amount demanded to change in the price of the commodity. For understanding this, I have given one table. Just to imagine that the price of some fruits, we can take it as a banana. The price of the banana is given on one side and the other side the quantity demanded is given. Just imagine that when the price of banana is rupees 50, the consumer demand just 10 bananas. And when the price falls to rupees 40, he demand for 20 bananas. When the price falls further to rupees 30, he demand 30 bananas. Thus, when the price of commodity falls, the demand for that commodity increases. Thus, from this table, we can understand that when the price of the commodity is increasing, the quantity demanded will be falling. Next one is demand curve. It represents the inverse relationship between the price and the quantity demanded. So demand schedule, it can be converted into a demand curve by measuring the price on vertical axis and quantity on horizontal axis as shown in the figure. So in the figure, demand curve slopes downwards from left to right, showing that when price rises, less is demanded. Thus the demand curves, it represents the inverse relationship between the price and the quantity demanded. And it is clear that at the price rupees 50, the quantity demanded is 10. And as the price falls to rupees 10 per unit, the quantity demanded, it will increases to 50. So from this we can understand that demand curves, it slopes downwards due to law of diminishing marginal utility. And the consumer, and thus we can see that the consumer will buy more only at a lower price. Therefore the demand curve slopes downwards. Hope you like my video. Thank you.